Why do we like to yawn, especially when we see other people yawning too? This phenomenon is called contagious yawning, but it turns out it's not just about being sleepy. Research says it's a sign that our brains are synchronized. That is, we're empathetic to others. That's why you're more likely to catch a yawn from a close friend than a stranger. What's even funnier is that even dogs can catch yawns from their owners. Seriously! So next time you yawn with a friend, it could be a sign that you care.